Hello everyone, this printer is HP LaserJet M140WE. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone, and this video tutorial applicable to HP LaserJet M141WE. So this printer is HP LaserJet M140WE. So first of all, to connect this printer to a wireless network, go to the control panel, select Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds to put the printer in a wireless mode. So select Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds. And the printer will highlight. Then you wait. So the on button will be highlighting. So the printer will switch it off. Then turn itself back on. Then the Wi-Fi light will continue to highlight intermittently. Now the next thing to do is we need to install HP app. So go to Play Store, select Play Store, search HP app. HP app. Install it on your phone and open the app. This is HP app. Once the app opened, then you go on top, select plus. Then select set up a new printer. If the printer is already connected to network, then you select choose available printer. So select set up a new printer. How do you want to connect the printer? Select Wi-Fi network, then select continue. Turn Bluetooth on, select continue to turn Bluetooth on. HP is asking to turn Bluetooth on, select allow. And the printer is found, M140 laser. Then you select setup. Connect printer to Wi-Fi network and define the wireless network within the environment. So we're going to put the password. So I have the information, so I'm going to type the password. Once the printer is connected, the Wi-Fi light will be steady. Double check the information you put, and if you are happy with it, then you select continue. Continue. So now it's finding the printer. Printer is found. It's preparing the printer, accessing the network information. Press and release the flashing Wi-Fi button on the printer. After release, please wait. So you go to the printer and press the Wi-Fi button once. Printer is prepared, getting the IP address. IP address received. Connection finished. Then you select continue. Printer privacy. I'm going to decline optional data. You can see the light, the Wi-Fi light is steady. The printer is now connected. It's no longer flashing the Wi-Fi image, the light on the Wi-Fi button. Skip. And this is the printer, HP LaserJet MFP M140W. And this is the ink level. If you want to print out a document, then you scroll down, select document print, then select PDF. Then scroll down from the list, and select the document you want to print out. Select on the document. This is the document want us to print out, 2-page document. Then select print preview. Then select number of copies. Scroll down, we want to print all. Orientation, automatic. This printer, you can only print black and white. Select more option. Quality, want to print normal, you can select best or draft. View page, then you go back. Then select print. So the document is printing. This is the document we printed out. So the second page is printing. Second one. So after you connected this printer to a wireless network with a mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to Windows Start, then go to the laptop settings, select printers and scanners. So select add a device. Once you add a device, it will show you HP LaserJet M140WE printer and scanner. Then select add device. So the device is installing. So the printer is showing us ready. If we select on the printer, select on it. So the printer is showing us I do print test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP MFP M130/M142 to the laptop. Another thing I want to show you is for us to add this to HP Smart App. So go to Windows Start, go to Microsoft Store, select Microsoft Store, then search HP Smart App. HP Smart App. Select on it. Install the app to your computer. Select install. So the app is getting ready. The app is downloading. It's preparing to download. Now it's installing the app. So the app is ready. Select open. Then select allow. Select yes. Welcome to HP. This is about using the app, collecting some required functional data. I'm going to decline optional data. Decline. Then select set up a new printer. Allow location. Select continue. Then select yes to allow location. So now it's going to search for available printer. The printer is found online, HP Laser M139/M142. Then you select on it. So this video tutorial is also applicable to HP Laser M141. And this is the printer is showing us ready. From this app, you can print document, you can scan document as well. So to print document, then select document, print documents, select on it, then select OK. Then it will take you to your laptop file to select the document. So go to documents, then type the document name you want to print out. Select on the document, select open or print. Then go on the left side, make sure you select correct printer, HP Laser. Select on it. Then orientation, portrait, we want to print all. Can scroll down to select two-sided as well. I'm going to show you how to print two-sided. Select print on two-sided. One page per sheet. The size A4. Document binding is none. Then you select OK. Then select print. The document is printing. This is the document we printed out. Then you need to put this document face down to print on the second page. Then the next thing to do is go to the printer, then select this button to continue to print the second page. This is the document we printed out. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network and print out a document. We printed out double-sided document. From this app, HP Smart App, you can scan documents, shortcuts, mobile files, print documents like we did, printables, go to print photos, and etc. You can also go to printer settings. This is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your mobile phone, then add it to your computer, print out a test page, and also add it to HP Smart App. Thank you very much indeed.